Abhyudaya is an NGO based out of Bangalore. Abhyudaya deals with socially deprived children, and we have a lot of activities in the areas of education, livelihood support and healthcare. So we have 25 projects under the Abhyudaya umbrella. In the past 2 years, STEM education has taken a very important role, and it has become very important in India as well as abroad, as we all know. So for the mainstream students, there are lots of activities and kits available in private schools. So Abhyudaya decided to go in for the STEM education so that the underprivileged students also don't miss the boat. They also have an opportunity to participate in activity-based learning. So let me tell you what STEM means. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Mathematics. We have lots of kits. Thanks to our sponsors and donors, we have procured all those kits from various vendors, and our students get to enjoy lots of activities, and it is a thorough experiential learning. And as you can listen to our students, many of them have gained a lot of interest in science and math areas because of the experiments they have been able to conduct, and they touch and feel ideas they are getting. So let me tell how we are conducting. Once we have established the center with the infrastructure and various kits, the local government schools and government aided schools we contact, and the students in several batches come to us on a day-to-day basis, and we have resources like trained faculty as well as college students who are interested in science. They help explain the students all the concepts, and they ask in turn the students to conduct some of the experiments as well. So everything is hands-on, and we have an interactive board where some of the videos run by experts are also shown. In that way the concepts are clear and they will never forget because of the experience they are gaining. Abhyudaya has established 40 plus STEM centers across India. Across all these centers, underprivileged students have access to activity-based kits and experiential learning. And through this, actually we are catering to two of the UNSD goals. Goal number 4 for quality education for all children, and goal number 5 is gender equality, where many of our beneficiaries are girl students, and we are hoping that when they get inspired and at plus 2 level and college level, they will be taking up science stream. And in fact, one of our STEM sessions, we made sure all students watched the Chandrayaan launch live, and all of our students, especially girl students, got great inspiration from many of the women scientists and engineers who are contributing to this major success of ISRO. So we are hoping and we wish our girl students all the best to become future scientists and engineers of India. Thank you all.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಓದೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓದಿ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. 1/3 ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಲಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೋಲಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1/3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೇನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಯೋಗಿಕ ವಿಧಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Hello, actually my name is Sai Charan and I got this opportunity to explore this thing in our STEM lab. Topics were clear but we don't know how to imagine that. By coming to STEM and by seeing these all things, we came to know how this system actually works, and we had the intention to come daily because we had some daily curiosity and some interest towards it. Students like us we can understand very clearly and also very perfectly. So the topics will be clear. By using STEM, it will be more benefit.
Myself, I am Janani, studying in Gokul Vidya Kendra School, and this is my first experience of STEM lab. While seeing the textbooks, I would unable to understand the parts and the diagrams, theory, etc. By seeing it directly, I would able to understand many parts like, for example, hibiscus, petals, sepals, stigma, filament, etc. Understand many parts like digestive system, etc. So I would thank to STEM lab